So I'm out here working on my truck today. Got 3 new belts because I think this is the issue right here. Alright, so if you need to replace your belts, loosen this guy right here, and then there's a pulley bolt under the bottom that you need to loosen and allow this to slide in so that we can get this off. But before you can take that off, you have to get up under here, and then there's the bottom bolt that releases the pressure. So you can see my hand. That releases the pressure right there to the alternator. Then there's this bolt right here, but you have to basically loosen the bolt up on this pulley right here first, and then loosen this up right here, and that will loosen up this belt, which is one of the main belts. So you need that, and then the other one is over here. So you want to loosen up this bolt right. Let's see if I can find it. Yep. Right there. You loosen up that one and the one on the top, and then you don't need to loosen the top on that very much. But then this bolt right here, where my finger's almost touching, that bolt basically controls the swing of this guy. So you need to loosen that up so that you can pull that bolt off the belt off the top. So now we got all that done, we can remove these belts, and then we can replace them. The AC belt is the next in line, and right here, right there. So you got to get it over that, so you have to loosen this thing up really good, and then get the belt over this, and then tighten that back up, and then tighten this pulley back up from the front right here. And then it'll tighten it back up good. It's on there really good. Alternator's on there good, so you basically just spin that until it gets really tight. Tighten it up here, and then tighten it up at the top. Which I still got to do the top, I think. Now we got to do the serpentine belt, which is the pain in the ass. Alright, so now this belt is back on. This is the old one because the one they gave me is not the right one, of course. So once you get this belt back on, that bolt right there, you have to tighten back up, but that's the last one. So this one right here is a little loose too, so I tighten that back up. But that one down there is the one you want. So I'll loosen this one up just a little bit just to give it a little bit of room, but that bolt right down there is the one you want to tighten. And then this over here, the car again. Oh, right over here on this side, that bolt right there. I showed you before. That guy is the one that tightens that belt. So basically, once you get that belt on, tighten that guy back up, and you're good. Now I can put the shield, that shield, back across here, and then we're good. Alright, so when you're tightening up these belts, make sure they are really tight. They're nice and firm. They still got like a little bit of play to them like that. It's perfect. You can feel the tension inside the belt. That's where it needs to be. So we're all done. We're going to give her a crank, and then make sure she's not squealing. If she squeals anywhere, just figure out where the squeal's coming from. And then basically after that, you want to tighten that up. Make sure the belt's a little bit tighter. No squeals. Nope. We're good. Alright. There she is. Running. Good to go.